Okay, so my name is Eugene. I am from R&D Auto Electronics. My channel concentrate on auto electronics to find solutions to common problems and basically anything to do with vehicles, diagnostics, auto electronics and issue repairs. So please subscribe if you are interested in this type of work. And yeah, we're constantly posting videos about this topic. Today we are bypassing a EDC 16 C34 for a Citroen C2, but the Peugeot Renault is exactly the same. If it's the EDC 16 C34, this will work for you. So the very first thing is you want to read the EEPROM, which is a 95, let me just see, it's a 95160. I forgot for a moment. Then you want to open it up in any hex editor. I use Neo for many years and I am very happy with it. So let's get going. So your file is open and now we're going to edit it. Oh, by the way, Hex Editor Neo you can download for free. There is a few other programs, but I prefer this one. I'm using the free version. There's also a paid version, but there's not much difference. It's only when you want to copy and paste a large amount of information. But editing like this, it's perfect for it. If you don't know where to get it, send me your email address and I will send you a zip file with the program. So you want to go to address, I'm just going to call out the last numbers because the address is 00060. I'm not going to say all the zeros every time. Address 60 and you want to start. The numbers is, or letters and numbers, going to start at address 60 is FA, BE, 86, 8A for alpha, FF, FF, FB, 39. Then we're going to skip to, we skip one line, then go to 80, CE, DF, 23, BE, AA, C3, FC, 04. Then we're going to skip another line, DB, AC, 92, HC, 55, 3C, FC, C9. After, okay, that is it. So after you've done that, make sure you did edit it, or you didn't make a mistake somewhere. So you go through it again, FABE 8, oh, yeah, 86 8A, FF, FF, FB 39, skip a line, and if you're in the military, it's Charlie Echo, Delta Foxtrot 23, Bravo Echo, Alpha Alpha, Charlie 3, Foxtrot Charlie 04, Delta Bravo, Alpha Charlie 92, 8 Charlie, 55, 3 Charlie, Foxtrot Charlie, Charlie 9. And that is it. You save this file, you write it to your EEPROM, you solder it back to your ECU, You don't touch the flash. You don't have to unplug anything. You put it into your car and you're golden. Please join my channel if you want more of this type of videos. Have a nice day.